Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's continue with our chapter. In our previous video, we discussed about the topics like what is crop, what are the different types of crops, and what are the agricultural practices that farmers follow. Hope you all had completed your assignment and gone through the topic very well. Now, we will discuss our first agricultural practice, that is preparation of soil. Preparation of soil. Before sowing any crop, the soil has to be prepared for cropping. The soil has to be turned and loosened. The loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling and plugging. Now we should try to understand why there is a need of doing this practice. It is because the loosening and turning of the soil allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil, and also they help the plant to breathe easily. Tilling and plugging of the soil is done with the help of certain agricultural tools like plough, hoe, cultivator, leveler. Plough is made up of wood or iron and is drawn by a pair of bulls. Before plugging the land, its watering is very necessary. Once the field is plugged, we will find big clumps of soil in the field. It is being leveled by a tool called leveler. Another important tool is used during this process. It is called hoe. It is used to remove the available weeds from the soil, and also it helps in loosening the soil. Nowadays, plugging is done by tractor-driven cultivators. It saves the labor and time. So these were the tools that helped us to prepare the soil. Now our soil is ready for sowing. So now we will discuss about our next topic, sowing. Sowing is very important part of crop production. Farmers has to select good quality seeds for sowing it into the ground. It is very important to know how we can find out the good quality seeds. In order to find out the good quality seeds, let us perform a short activity. Here we had taken some gram seeds. This is bowl of water and this is empty bowl. Let's perform the activity to find out the healthy seeds. I had taken the gram seeds and now I am pouring these seeds in the water bowl. Now observe carefully. Some of the seeds are floating on the top. Rest of the seeds are settled at the bottom. The seeds which are floating here are unhealthy ones, and those are settled at the bottom are healthy seeds. So we understood that these are the unhealthy seeds. We can take these seeds out and keep it in another bowl. The rest remaining seeds are the healthy ones, and that could be utilized for sowing it into the ground. So this was our activity in which we find out the healthy seeds. Now the seeds are to be sown into the ground. In order to sow the seeds into the ground, two techniques are used. One is a traditional activity and another one is modern activity. So let us discuss about traditional tools. In traditional tools, a funnel-shaped structure is there in which the seeds are filled and they are passed into the ground through 2 or 3 pipes. These ends pierce into the soil and place the seeds there. So this was our traditional technique, and now we will discuss about our modern technique, that is seed drill method of sowing the seeds. Nowadays, seed drills are mostly used by the farmers for sowing the seeds. They help us to sow the seeds uniformly at equal distances and equal depths. It ensures that the seeds are covered by the soil, and it also protects the seeds from being eaten by the birds. So these were our two techniques of sowing which are normally used by our farmers. After discussing our two steps, that is preparing the soil and sowing the seeds, now we will move on our third agricultural practice, that is adding manures and fertilizers to the fields. Now, what actually manures and fertilizers are? So, manures and fertilizers are the substances which are added to the fields to enrich the soil. So, these are the substances which help us to obtain a good quality and high yielding crop. So, what's the difference between manures and fertilizers? Let us concentrate on that. Manures. Manures are the organic substances. On the other hand, fertilizers are the inorganic, man-made substances. Now let's discuss more about manures first. As I told, manures are the organic substances. So how are these obtained? These are obtained from the decomposition of plants and animal waste. Farmers dump these waste in open pits and allow it to decompose. These are decomposed by microorganisms. Manure provides a lot of humus to the soil, but it's relatively less rich in nutrients. On the other hand, fertilizers are the chemicals that are rich in particular nutrients. Some of the fertilizers are urea, potash, phosphate, etc. Fertilizers are prepared in factories and does not provide any humus to the soil. The use of fertilizers help the farmers to get better yield of crops. But when these fertilizers are used in excessive quantity, they may cause the soil infertile. Therefore, in order to maintain the fertility of the soil, we need to substitute the fertilizers with organic manures. So let's discuss some advantages of manures over fertilizers. It enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It increases the number of friendly microbes and improves the texture of soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases becomes very easy. So, in today's session, we discussed about the 3 agricultural techniques, that is soil preparation, sowing and adding manures and fertilizer. So, that's all for today. Now please note down your today's assignment. Question number 1. Define the key term tilling or plugging. Question number 2. Name 2 agricultural tools and draw their diagrams. Question number 3. Explain how sowing is done using seed drill. And lastly, question number 4. Differentiate between manures and fertilizers. Thank you.